Members of the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association on Friday held a demonstration in front of the office of the Vice-Chancellor and demanded the resignation of Vice-Chancellor Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. According to the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association, President Lakhon Kama, the association has prepared a dossier of the alleged wrongdoings of the Vice-Chancellor since he took over office and submits it to the President of the country, Draupadi Murmu. He is also the visitor of the university, the PMO, the Governor, the MPs of the state and the leader of the opposition. The association had grievances over some of the pending issues which are yet to be resolved.
Nang tangin fa sa governor, ngin fa si MP jong, ngin fa sa Ministry of Education, ngin fa si leader of opposition, ngin pa ro po gi sa PMO's office, ngin airu yo Chancellor jongi boladon, but ngin pa ro sa media bangin batay lot. Batay benia lot ke ki company bolale kham tam nadu bawan hang ni hapo ka university mde tang kata bat mata kas ngila rai ru bangin dawa mentang ngila dep sign ka city bingi dawa ba in her shukino ngi demand ba in resign no ka resignation mana boro si kata ngi aki ngi kampanye ka resignation mentang ngila dep sign ka kot marsin dep rai ka meeting jongi ngila dep rai ba ngin pha her shuki ai ngila dep sign ka kot ngila dep ai.
Bakstar Dingdo, who had been imprisoned